ॐ शुक्लाम्बरधरं विष्णुं शशिवर्णं चतुर्भुजं प्रसन्नवदनं ध्यायेत् सर्वविघ्नोपशान्तये. Namaskar and welcome back to Amar Bharati Samskrita YouTube channel, where we are now studying the 7th standard Ruchira textbook, CBSE Sanskrit textbook. In that, the first lesson, Prathamaha Pathaha Subhashitani. In the previous video, we saw the English explanation of the lesson itself, of the 6 verses in that particular lesson. Now we see the exercises and the solutions along with an English explanation of the answers. Sarvan shlokan saswaram gayata means recite all the verses as musical notes. Prithivyaam trini ratnani jalamannam subhashitam mudhaif pashana khandeshu ratna sanya vidhiyate satyena dharyate prithvi satyena tapate ravihi satyena vati vayuscha sarvam satye pratishthitam दाने तपसि शौर्ये च विज्ञाने विनये नये विस्मयो न हि कर्तव्यो बहुरत्ना वसुन्धरा सद्भिरेव सहासीता सद्भिः कुर्वीत संगतिं सद्भिर्विवादं मैत्रीं च नासद्भिः किञ्चिदाचरेत् धनधान्यप्रयोगेषु विद्यायाः संग्रहेषु च आहारे व्यवहारे च त्यक्तलज्जः सुखी भव क्षमावशीकृतिर्लोके क्षमया किं न साध्यते शांति खड्गः करे यस्य किं करिष्यति दुर्जनः. We go to the next question. Yatha yogyam shlokamshan melayata means match the following. In this column are given the first part of a shloka, of a line of a shloka, and in this column are given the second part of the same line. So we have to match these first part with the second part. So look at the answers. Dhanadhanya prayogeshu vidyayaha sangraheshu cha. Dhanadhanya prayogeshu vidyayaha sangraheshu cha. Next one. Vismayo nahi kartavyah bahuratna vasundhara. Vismayo nahi kartavyah bahuratna vasundhara. Next one. Satyena dharyate prithvi satyena tapate ravihi. Satyena dharyate prithvi satyena tapate ravihi. Sadbhir vivadam maitrim cha nasadbhihi kinchidacharet, which is the first one here, fourth one here, and the first one there. Next one. Ahare vyavahare cha tyaktalajjas sukhi bhava. Ahare vyavahare cha tyaktalajjah sukhi bhava. We go to the next question. Ekapadena uttarata. Answer in one word. Prithivyam katiratnani. How many gems or jewels on the earth? Trini. Three jewels. Jalam, annam, subhashitam. Mudhaihi kutra ratna sanya vidhiyate. Where do fools see gems or jewels? What do they consider as gems or jewels? Pashana khandeshu. In the pieces of stone. Whatever they see, diamonds or rubies or sapphires or whatever, they are all nothing but pieces of stone, and fools consider them to be real jewels. Prithvi kena dharyate. By what is the earth supported or held? Satyena, the earth is held or supported by Prithvi, by Satya, that is truth. Prithvi is held by truth. Kaihi sangatim kurvita. With what should we have association? Sadbhihi. With whom should we have association? With noble people. Sajjanas. Sadbhihi. Loke vashikritihi ka. What should we try to acquire in our life? Kshama. The aspect of forgiveness. We should get forgiveness in our life so that we can live happily. Trini pashana khandeshu satyena sadbhihi kshama. So these are the 5 answers to the 5 questions. We go further. Before we go to the next question, I would like to introduce you to some interrogative words or questioning words in the Sanskrit language. Kaha is who in masculine, ka is who in feminine, kim is what in neuter, kutra is where, kati is how many, kada is when, kutaha is from where, katham is how, kimartham why, kidrishaha what kind of in masculine, kidrishi is what kind of in feminine, and kidrisham is what kind of in what type of in neuter. So these we will have to remember in our minds. We also need to remember the kim shabda. Kim means what. In Pullinga, kim shabda 21 forms. In Strilinga, the kim shabda 21 forms. And in Napumsakalinga, the forms kim shabda. Pullinga will see masculine kim shabda. Kaha kauke kam kaukan kena kabhyam kaihi kasmai kabhyam kebhyah kasmat kabhyam kebhyah kasya kayoh kesham kasmin kayoh keshu. The same kim shabda in feminine strilinga is like this. Ka ke kaha kam ke kaha kaya kabhyam kabhihi kasyai kabhyam kabhyah kasyaha kabhyam kabhyah kasyaha kayoh kasam kasyam kayoh kasu. The same kim shabda in Napumsakalinga is kim ke kani and continues in like Pullinga. Kena kabhyam kaihi kasmai kabhyam kebhyah kasmat kabhyam kebhyah kasya kayoh kesham kasmin kayoh keshu. These 21 times 3, these forms you have to remember in addition to what I told you in the previous page. So we now go to look at the answers to the question which is asked. Rekhankita padani adhikritya prashna nirmanam kurata. Frame questions using the words underlined. Satyena vati vayuhu. Satyena is something like kena, tritiya vibhakti ekavachana, so we should use kena here. Kena vati vayuhu. We should not forget the question mark sign at the end of the question. Next, sadbhihi eva sahasita. Sadbhihi means tritiya vibhakti bahuvachana, kaihi will come. Sadbhihi will be tritiya vibhakti bahuvachana. Kaihi eva sahasita. Along with whom should we sit? Vasundhara bahuratna bhavati. Vasundhara is strilinga pada. Prathama vibhakti ekavachana. So it becomes ka. Prathama ekavachana is ka. So ka bahuratna bhavati is the answer. Vidyayaha sangraheshu tyaktalajjas sukhi bhavet. Vidyayaha is shashti vibhakti ekavachana. So we should go in strilinga shashti vibhakti ekavachana is kasyaha. So we should ask kasyaha sangraheshu tyaktalajjas sukhi bhavet. Next, sadbhi maitrim kurvita. Maitrim we should get kim. Sadbhi kim kurvita is the answer. So these are the 5 questions for which these 5 are the answers. So they have asked us to write the questions, and these questions we have written them here. Kena, kaihi, ka, kasyaha, kim. These are the 5 answers to this particular question which is asked. We go further. Prashnanam Uttarani likhata. Answer the following questions. Kutra vismayah na kartavyah? With respect to what should we not express surprise? Tane tapasi shaurye vijnane vinaye naye cha vismayah na kartavyah. This is according to what we have explained in the Subhashita in the lesson. Prithivyam trini ratnani kani. What are the three jewels or gems on this earth? Prithivyam trini ratnani jalam annam cha subhashitam santi. Water, food and subhashitas. Tyakta lajjah kutra sukhi bhavet? Answer is tyakta lajjah dhana dhanya prayogeshu vidyayah sangraheshu ahare vyavahare cha sukhi bhavet. This is also as per what is explained in the Subhashita in the previous video. We go further. Manjushatah padani chitva linganusaram likhata. Separate the masculine, feminine, neuter words from the box below. Ratnani, Vasundhara, Satyena, Sukhi, Annam, Vahnihi, Ravihi, Prithvi, Sangatim. We look at the answers. Pullingar, Sukhi, Vahnihi, Ravihi. Strilingam, Vasundhara, Prithvi, Sangatim. Napumsakalingam, Ratnani, Annam, Satyena. These are the answers to this particular question. Next, Adholikita padeshu dhatavah ke santi. Find the dhatus of the following. Karoti is kr dhatu, means to do. Pashya is drish dhatu, to see. Bhavet is bhu dhatu, to be, to exist. Tishtati is tha dhatu, to stand. These are the four dhatus: kr, drish, bhu and stha. You can download the PDF of this particular lesson, these notes and these exercises at the link given in the description below the video. So please download and use them. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share. See you in the next video with the next lesson. Till then, YouTube Amara Bharati Samskrita. Shubham Bhuyat Mangalamastu. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.